Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toilet paper rolls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon brand 24-count 308 sheet Mega Roll toilet paper. If you are searching for a quality toilet paper that has soft sensation and excellent absorption, look no further and go for Amazon brand toilet paper. It has great strength and also comforts that you expect. Furthermore, it comes in 4 packs that contain 6 mega rolls and have 2-ply sheets on each roll. This roll will last for long period as compared to other kinds of regular toilet papers. It is likewise simple tear-off sheets and doesn't shred easily. In addition to that, it is septic-safe bath tissue and will not clog your sewerage. Many people have confirmed that this toilet paper is soft and will not cause any irritation on your skin. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cottonelle Ultra Comfort Care Toilet Paper. Cottonelle is a big name in this niche. Their Ultra Comfort Care toilet paper is known for being extra soft, extra thick, and extra strong. It also comes in multiple packaging options and sizes to suit your preferences, but one thing you're assured of, you get quality and value with each packaging. About your sewer and septic, Cottonelle is ultra absorbent and breaks up the moment it touches the water in your toilet bowl. This company also offers a subscription service to make sure that you never run out sheets in the middle of the month. At number 3, we have the Scott 1000 sheets per roll toilet paper. With 1,000 sheets per roll, Scott 1000 sheets toilet paper roll claims to be the longest in America. It comes in the same great consistency and value it has treasured for years. Its mega design means that you'll be changing the rolls less often and you'll have fewer tubes to toss. As expected, the sheets disintegrate faster in your sewer and are safe for your septic. Besides being softer and thin, Scott is also unscented, thereby making it gentle and safe on your family's skin. At number 2, we have the Sparkle Paper Towels, White. If whiteness is what matters to you, Sparkle has more than you may require. A package has 24 giant rolls each with 107 sheets. Each of these sheets has all you need regarding strength, softness, and absorbency. These rolls feature a classic packaging design that complements their value. Again, each sheet offers a secure grip for a sure mess-free wipe. Compared to other high-quality competitors, you'll find that Sparkle has the best value, especially if you've signed into their subscription program. And finally at number 1, we have the Scott Rapid Dissolving Bath Tissue. If you've been having some problem with your clogged sewer system now and then, you need to consider this bathroom tissue. Though it features a special design for use in RVs, boats, and buses, experienced plumbers will recommend them for home use too because of their higher rate of absorption and breakdown. Previous users also confirm that they are super soft on your skin and don't cause any irritation. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.